That's the Lundy Law Way. Injured? Call 1-800-LUNDY-LAW.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated test of the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would follow this tone.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
When you focus on your fears, you end up running into them. When you focus on your goals, you end up manifesting them.
Don't miss a new episode of The Outpost, tonight at 9 on the CW Philly.
As a public defender, Judge Karen fought for her clients' rights. She was elected to the bench because she believes in doing the right thing.
I'm very passionate about helping people.